Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share my first Easter video for 2025. Today I'm doing a DIY and decorating my hutch for Easter. I hope you enjoy. Now guys, before we get started, I'd like to introduce you my new friend Dawn from her channel Ginger Jar Lane, and today we're going to be collaborating together. Dawn recently reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in doing a collaboration, and I couldn't wait. I love her channel. She does so many beautiful things, DIY projects, she takes us thrifting. There is so many ideas to find from Dawn's channel. So I'll leave a link down below guys, so once you finish watching this video, please head on over to Dawn's video at Ginger Jar Lane. Now guys, all year round I keep out these neutral plates on my hutch. I love using the neutral background and then adding my pop of colour. What I'm doing here is I was recently in the store Bed Bath and Table, and they brought out their most beautiful Easter collection guys, and as soon as I seen these blue plates, my heart skipped a beat. I knew they'd be perfect on my hutch. So guys, starting at the very top shelf, I added this little cake stand with a cloche on top, and inside I'll have a polka dot cup. I then added this little checkered bunny that I got from TK Maxx last year and added an additional polka dot cup. Now on the opposite side guys, I have these little chopping boards. Now I recently did a DIY on these. These are Kmart chopping boards, and what I did is I used that waxing technique and I added these cute little bows on the top, which are also from Bed Bath and Table.
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool, but I want her to.
Now guys, I absolutely love these sweet little blue birds that I recently picked up from the reject shop in my last video. I really adore all their decor in there at the moment, and these little birds just stole my heart.
If you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Come on and give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool, but I want her to. the cut. I think she knows that she drives me crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes her want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. It's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact.
So guys, now we're going to get started on a cute little Easter DIY. I'm going to take a template of a bunny, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this core flute, guys. This is the stuff that they use for for sale signs. What I'm doing here is I'm just cutting out the template, and I'm going to use that as a guide because I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to trace it out the outside to make the bunny.
Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금.
Now, off camera, guys, I cut out the bunny. I then took another piece of that core flute and I'm cutting it out. This is actually going to be the stand for the bunny. I have this peel and stick black and white wallpaper that I got from Temu, and I'm going to cover the stand in the wallpaper.
Oh baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I wanna work, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. Take you to the moon. Na 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 can't stop. 이루어질 거야. Take you to the moon.
Now, I'm then going to take some leftover wallpaper that I had from Amazon. This is actually above my breakfast area, guys, and I'm actually just going to take that and also cover the bunny in it.
시작이야.
I'm then going to take some scissors and trace around the bunny.
Come on up and enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready.
I'm then going to take this checkered bow, guys, that is also from Temu, and I'm going to layer it with a blue one. And I just love the combination of the two colours. Now, I had these giant craft sticks, guys, and I covered them also with the black and white check wallpaper. And I'm going to use this as a little backdrop to the stand, so that way it supports the bunny.
Take you to the moon.
Now, I run in some trouble here, guys. My little bunny just wouldn't stand up. So I took another one of those craft sticks and I'm going to add it to the back on a lean, so that way it's standing up almost like a photo frame.
Take you to the moon.
I then added it to my table, and I just shopped my own home, guys, and got some little decorative pieces that I already had and placed it around the bunny.
Take you to the moon.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken?
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my first Easter video for 2025.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Don't forget, guys, to click the link below and check out my amazing friend Dawn's channel over at Ginger Jar Lane. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all next week for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.